during the Second World War checked this
Hello to the best viewers in the world. Today, we're on one of the most fascinating and extreme routes in Russia, where roads simply don't exist past a certain point, and the only way forward is by snowmobile, or even dog sleds. But before we get there, we have to pass through a place unlike any other. At first, we're surrounded by tall trees. Completely buried under snow, it feels like stepping into a fantasy world, pure white, peaceful, and quiet. But something strange happens as we move forward. The trees start to disappear. One by one, they vanish until suddenly there's nothing left.
امشب می‌خوایم بریم توی خود شهر مورمانسک تو هتل. اینجا که شما دیشب بودید بیرون مورمانسک بود، یه مثلا 20 کیلومتر بیرون شهر. ولی امشب تو خود شهر می‌خوابیم.
و یه سال جایی که داریم می‌ریم که انتهای گلاب اینا دماش چقدر تو فرصت داریم یا نه همینه؟
شاید مثلا 6-7 درجه سرد.
وضعیت داخل ماشین از شدت سرما به ثانیه نمیشه دوباره یخ میزنن.
Why? Because this is Teriberka, a place where brutal winds and extreme cold make survival nearly impossible. In winter, temperatures can drop as low as minus 47 degrees Celsius. And winds reaching 120 kilometers per hour don't just move snow. They can really pick up cars and throw them into the drifts. But here's something even more fascinating. These same wild winds power the region. Massive wind turbines stand tall in the distance, harnessing the brutal storms to generate electricity. It's a place where nature both destroys and sustains life. What do you think? Could you live in a place like this?
خیلی شدید که جاده رو میبنده دولت که کسی نره، چون اگه بره ماشین رو باد برمی‌داره میبره.
این هم and most of energy which they will produce will be exported to Europe.
Now that the road is gone, the only way forward is by snowmobile. We're heading to a very unusual place. Dragon Egg Beach. This frozen shoreline is covered in huge, perfectly rounded stones, shaped by the constant pounding of wind and ice over centuries. No one knows exactly how they formed, but they look like the fossilized eggs of some ancient creature.
قراره با این اسنو بریم یه چرخی بزنیم تو قطب ببینیم چه خبره. خیلی چیز خفنیه. سلام چطوری؟ ایرانی بود یعنی وسط قطب ایرانی ها بله میکنی دیدی شما دوتش ایرانی بوده یس ته دنیا که میگن تقریبا دیگه همین است دقیقا داریم میدونیم دیوار آخر دنیا رو ببینیم چقدر هست اینجا به اسم ساحل تخم اژدها معروفه به خاطر سنگایی که داره ساحل تخم اژدها حالا اینکه بچه اژدها توش پیدا میشه یا نه حالا باید بریم بگردیم
But our journey isn't over yet. Our next stop, the edge of the world. This is the last inhabited point before the Arctic. Beyond this, there's nothing. Just an endless frozen ocean and the brutal cold of the North Pole. Standing here, staring into the distance, you truly feel how small you are against the power of nature.
Yeah, battery, which during the Second World War checked this place. So they checked if the Marines could come or some airplanes. So it was ready to fight every time. So that's why it's called battery lake. So here is the Barents Sea, open to us. So it's not really far from the North Pole. Approximately 100,000 kilometers.
200,000 flat.
Yeah, not so far.
Could you imagine living in a place this wild? Or is it only good for short adventures? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out my previous videos from Teriberka and other parts of Russia, where we explored even more incredible winter landscapes. More icy adventures are coming soon, so stay tuned. Wishing you all the best until the next video.